This is an example of using the Ricoh Theta 5 driving through East LA County, actually on my way to Pomona on the 60 freeway, and the quality of the audio recording. This is directly off the camera, definitely not running through any app at all. And yeah, general traffic noise. I have this mounted on an arm, but due to the way and how long the mechanism is, I have it mounted horizontally, and you're going to see quite a lot of vibration here, which I do not think...
Be in the second lane from the left.
Which I do not think is going to be well compensated by the image stabilization of the unit. And let's face it, California freeway roads are really not that great, so it's pretty bumpy.
Stay to the left to State Route 60 East. In 2.3 miles, exit 28, Phillips Ranch
In
Road.
2.5 miles, take exit 28 on the right.